Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a clean Windows Glass theme with macOS touch, and it's going to transform your same boring Windows look and feel to a clean Windows Glass macOS theme for Windows. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get this lock screen on your Windows computer which looks like Mac, and after that you are also going to learn on how you can get all the amazing features macOS have on your Windows computer. And when we look through this theme, we are going to have this My Finder on top of our Windows computer. We have this Stage Manager where we can explore our apps and everything on our Windows Explorer, and it really looks like macOS with this blurry background which makes it very beautiful. And that's not only it, you are also going to get this Stage Manager where you are going to see all your apps you've opened at the left corner of your Windows. And the most exciting feature we are going to look at is this My Dock Finder, which is at the bottom of our Windows computer, and it really looks like the macOS Finder bar which we can explore all our apps on it. And there are a whole lot of features this thing have, and it's really amazing. And we are also going to get this Launchpad where we can access all our installed apps on our Windows computer, and it's really nice. So without further ado, let me show you what we are going to get on our Finder, and after that we'll get right into the video. On our Finder we have a lot of settings and a quick new settings where we can explore a lot of features on our Windows. The first thing we have here is this quick settings bar where we can explore all our quick settings tools like our Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot. We can decrease and increase our display brightness, our sound and everything here. And if we are playing music, we can also access it over here about pausing and playing or next or anything. And here we have our system tree icons and everything here where we can explore all the background processing apps which are working in the background, and it's really nice. We have our sound here where we can increase the volume, change if we have different types of speakers, we can do everything over here. We also have our battery indicator where we can change our device performance from the ultimate speed to a balanced form or ultra battery saving or anything here. We have this display bar over here where we can regulate the brightness of our display without affecting the other screen and a whole lot. And after that I'm going to show you how you can get this bar working on your Windows computer. And that's not only it, we are also going to have this widgets on our computer which comes with a whole lot of different widgets we can access on our Windows computer, and they all look beautiful and clean like macOS widgets. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. To get started, I've provided a zip file in my Telegram channel which I'm going to link in the description below. So if you want to follow along, what you have to do is to download this zip file and then extract it. Once you've extracted the file, you are going to be greeted with a lot of files inside this zip file. The first thing we are going to install is Ultra US Theme Patcher. This is what is going to help us patch our file explorer to make it look like macOS Explorer. So I'm going to install this file. Click on next and just finish. Once you are done installing this one, the next thing we are going to do is to extract this macOS for Windows 11. So I'm going to right click and extract it. Once we've extracted it, open the folder. You are going to see a lot of files. The first thing we are going to do is to open the 7TSP icon theme and then rename it. Remove the .remove from it and just click on OK or enter. Then it's going to be like this. Go back and then the next thing we are going to do is to open the Windows 11 22.82 themes. Here just select all and copy and go to this PC. Look at this Windows, scroll through and look for resources. open it, open folders, open themes, and then paste the files you copied here. Once you've pasted them here, just go back to your desktop where your files is, open it, and then extract 7CSP GUI 2019. Once you've extracted it, open it up and change the .ee to .use. Click on enter and click on yes. What we are going to do is to run this file. Once it's open, click on add a custom pack and go to your macOS for Windows 11 themes and open the 7TSP icon theme and just select the file in it. Click on yes, and here what we are going to do is to click on start patching. This is going to take a bit longer for it to install the icon themes, so just relax and it's going to install all the icons for you. And if you really like the video I'm making and you are really interested in helping me, just click on the subscribe button below, and it's really going to help me a lot to make more videos for you. Thank you. Once the installation is done, it's going to ask you to restart your computer, so just click on yes and it's going to restart your computer. Once you've rebooted your computer, just click on OK here and open your folder again. Now what we are going to do is to make our file explorer look like macOS, but if you really installed what we did earlier, well, you are going to see that all your icons have been changed to this type of icons in your file explorer and it looks like macOS. So the next thing we are going to do is to make our explorer look like macOS, and to do that there's a tool we are going to install which is called Start All Is Back. So double click on Start All Is Back, click on install for everyone. Now you are going to see that your file taskbar has been changed and you are going to see this window on your Windows computer. So click on proper 11 and here go to your start menu, turn it off because we are not going to customize our start menu, and go to taskbar, turn this one to off and click on restart now. Once you've done restarting it, you are going to see that your Windows taskbar has been back to the default one, which is really nice. The next thing we are going to do is to go to your Explorer tab and click on Win7 command bar, and here turn off classic search, turn off new icon, and turn off classic context menu. And here what I recommend you turn it on is this one, and turn this one to off. Once you've done with this, you can close this window and then open your settings. Here we are going to personalization and we are going to see a lot of themes added to our old themes. So I'm going to choose any one of the theme and see what my explorer is going to look like. So I've chose the dark solid with 6 images, and here when I open my explorer, you are going to see that it has been changed to this beautiful macOS theme and it's really nice. There are a whole lot of themes which are here, and I recommend you look through and find the one you think is going to be nice for you. So let's continue with our customization. The next thing we are going to do is to blur out the background of our explorer, which will make it really nice. To blur the background of our explorer, just head to your local disk and create a new folder here. You can name it any name you want, but I'm going to name mine Tweaks. Once you've named it, open it up. Here what I'm going to do is to open my folders again, and here I'm going to see release.64. Open this release and there's a folder here. What I recommend you do is to drag it into your Tweaks folder. Open it up and here run the register.cmd as an administrator. And here what you are going to see is that it has been successfully installed. Click on OK and close it. Now what I recommend you do is to right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager, and here you are going to see Explorer in your apps. If you can't see any Explorer in your apps, what you can do is to just open your Windows Explorer, and here you already see that it has changed to Blur. But if yours hasn't changed, what you have to do is to click on the Explorer and click on Restart Task. Once it's done, you are going to see that your Explorer has been changed to this blurry, beautiful Explorer look. And there's one problem which is also going to cause you not to see your Explorer looking like this. And to face this issue, you are going to go to your settings, and here what you have to go to is to go to personalization. Click on colors, and if your transparent effect is turned off, then you are not going to see this blurry effect. So I recommend you turn this one on, which is going to help you see the blurry effect of your Explorer. So now we've done with the customization of our Windows Explorer. The next thing we are going to do is to set up our beautiful macOS Keza on our Windows computer. So to install this Keza, there's a macOS Keza pack over here. Right click on it and extract. Once you've extracted this, open the folder app, and here you are going to be greeted with this file. Copy the install.inf and paste it inside the Keza files. Once you've pasted it here, right click on it and just click on install. It's going to install this macOS Keza. To set this macOS Keza as your default Keza, right click on your start menu, go to settings, and then go to personalization, go to themes, and here you can see mouse Keza over here. Click on it, and then you are going to be greeted with all the installed Kezas here. Just click on the Mac and click on OK. Click on yes, and you are going to see that you now have this macOS beautiful Keza on your Windows computer. The next thing we are going to do is to install some beautiful widgets which looks like macOS, and I recommend you install Reboot. So let's install this Reboot, and then click on next, install, click on finish, and you are going to see the default skins of Reboot. What I recommend you do is to right click on each and click on unload skin, which is going to remove the skin from your desktop. The skin we are going to install first is this Monstery skin, which is going to provide us with a lot of macOS widgets which are really nice. The first thing I'm going to install is this beautiful macOS clock. This clock looks really nice, and if you want to get the one you saw on the YouTube thumbnail, you can just right click on it and select large, or select wide. This wide is really nice, and I really like this one. The next one I'm going to install is this macOS calendar, and this one too, I want it to be large, and put it here. But this really looks big on my Windows computer, so what I recommend is go to the appearance, and here we can size the widgets on our Windows computer. So to size this one, just click on it, and I'm going to change this one to 65, and also change this one to 5. And now you can see that my widgets are a bit smaller, and I really like it like this. The next thing we are going to install is the beautiful macOS dock, which is going to make it look like macOS. So to install my dock finder, just open your folder, and you are going to see my dock finder. Right click on it and extract this file. Once you've extracted it, I recommend you copy it and paste it in your tweaks folder. So I'm going to copy mine and go to my tweaks folder and paste it inside. Once I've pasted it inside, just open it up, and here we are going to run the doc64.exe. Click on allow, and you are going to see my dock finder on our Windows computer, and it's really nice. If you want to know more about this dock finder, I've a video which talks about this dock finder and all the features you can get from this dock finder, and they are really nice. So you can just check out this video, and it's really going to get you into details on how this dock finder really works, and it's really nice. If you are seeing this dock finder here and maybe some of the apps is not showing like mine, what it means is because we haven't installed those things, or we have deleted it from our computer. So here you can see Cortana is not working here. What I recommend you do is right click on it and click on remove from dock. So once you've removed all from the dock, what I recommend you do is to right click on the dock and click on preference. It's going to open all the settings tab of this my dock finder. The first thing I recommend you do is to scroll down here, and here change the start on boot method to start as a service. And what this does is it really makes my dock finder start anytime I reboot my computer, and it's really nice. The second thing I'm going to turn on is automatically hide the taskbar on boot. And what this does is it hide the Windows taskbar anytime I start my dock finder, and it's really nice. The next thing we are going to do is to go to this look and feel under my dock, and here we can adjust the size and everything of this finder, and it's really nice. So feel free to adjust yours to make it look nicer on your computer. If you are not interested in having this finder on top of your Windows, what you can do is to go to the look and behavior, and here you can just change it to auto hide, and which is really what I really like. You can close it up, and if you want to add your own icons, what you are going to do is to just double click on the application you want to add to your dock. Once you've opened it, just go to your dock. You are going to see the application on your dock. Just right click and click on keep in dock, and it is really going to add it to your dock. So anytime I close this one, I'm still going to see it here, and I can move it around anywhere I want, and it's really nice. The another thing we are going to look at is when I click on this launchpad, you are going to see that all the installed apps on my Windows computer is here, and it's really nice. The next thing we are going to see is that we are also going to have this stage manager here on our Windows computer, and it really makes our Windows computer really nice. So anytime we open an application, we are going to see that this stage manager is going to keep all our applications on the left side of the Windows, which is really nice. So now we have this on our computer. What I recommend you do is to right click anywhere on your Windows and just hide your desktop icons, which is really going to make your Windows clean. If you are seeing this taskbar like mine, all you have to do is to right click here and click on hide taskbar, and it's really going to hide your Windows taskbar to make your macOS look clean and nice. The next thing we are going to do is to open our folder again where we have all the files, and the last thing we are going to do in this macOS look setup is to get this the macOS lock screen on our Windows computer. And to get this look, you are just going to install the Ringlock 1.0, which is a remitter skin, which is going to provide us with a beautiful macOS lock screen on our Windows computer. But before that, we have to set our wallpaper I added into the video. So this is the wallpaper I was using, and it's really nice. So I recommend you also set it on your computer, and it's really nice. It's really going to make your Windows look nice. And after that, let's install this lock screen. Double click on the Ringlock and click on install. Once you've double click on it, it's not going to appear because it's a remitter skin, and it's like a screensaver. So to access it, what you have to do is to just click on this system tray and click on remitter. Once you've selected your remitter, just go to screensaver, and here you are going to be greeted with a whole lot of skins. To see all the skins, you can just click on the clock and load it. Once you've loaded it, you are going to see this beautiful lock screen. So to get the exact lock screen I was having, you just have to do this simple thing. Just open your files and copy this image, or sorry, this wallpaper I added into the files. Just copy it up, and once you've copied it, go to this PC, go to your documents and click on Remitter Skins. Go to your screensaver here, go to resources and go to resources again, and here just paste the file here. Click on replace the file in the destination, and here you are going to see it has replaced a certain file here. So what we want to do is to open our remitter again, and here click on the H, and that's how you get this beautiful macOS look on your computer. So to access this, anytime you reboot your computer, you are going to see this beautiful lock screen on your computer, and it's really going to be nice. And this is how it's going to look. So anytime you want to unlock it, just have to click anywhere on your computer, and this is where you can change your wallpaper. By click on it, you are going to change your wallpaper here, and it's really nice. So anytime you want to access your computer, just click on the space bar on your Windows, and it's going to open it up again, and it's really nice. So this is all that I wanted to show you in this video. If you have a problem or you are facing any problem, just comment it in the description below, and I'm really going to respond to you as soon as possible. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do have to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be happy to add you to my team, and let's explore together. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.